Okay. Video part 2. Fill in the blanks. Question answers. Short question answers. First, fill in the blanks. Open the page number 55. Yeah. First line, the number 1. The period from the 9th century to the 15th century can be called the dash of the Muslim world. Done. This is the blank number 1. Now turn the page. Second line. Second line of first paragraph. Ibn Battuta lived in India for several years as the dash or judge at Tughlaq's court. Done. Now the third blank, very next line. Cut the he. Ibn Battuta became involved in a war on the dash coast, was shipwrecked at Coromandel. Done. This is the blank number 3. Now come to the blank number 4. Second paragraph, first line. The Sultan of Morocco ordered him to go the Muslim state of Dash in West Africa, crossing the terrible Sahara Desert. Done. Underline these lines. 1, 2, this China, ये वाली. Then 1, 2, 3. ठीक है? These lines. Now come to the second paragraph. Underline these lines as well. 1, 2, 3. Done. Now come to Al-Biruni. Underline 1, 2, 3, 4. These 4 lines. Okay. Blank number 5. Last paragraph. In 1017 he went to India to study the culture, and his most famous book is Dash, in which he described the customs, languages, science. Next page. First line. And geography of the subcontinent in the 11th century. यहाँ तक आपकी blank number 5 है. ठीक है. आपकी blank number 6 आएगी अब इब्ने रुशद. Second last line. Ibn Rushd's writing on Greek philosophy were translated and used by European thinkers of the dash. Done. Now blank number 7. Turn the page. Info. Historiography is the study of how dash is written. Okay. This is your 7th blank. Okay. Now fix it. Blank number 8, second paragraph. 1, 2, 3, 4. Fourth line. He cut the he, write Ibn Khaldun. Ibn Khaldun can also be called the father of sociology for his study and observation on groups of people. This is your 8th blank. Now blank number 9. Page number 59. Umar al-Khayyam. Second line. His. Cut. Umar Khayyam. His name Khayyam actually means dash. Second paragraph. Khayyam's important contribution to dash and astronomy, however, is less known. These are the 10 blanks. Now come to the short question answer of this chapter. Chapter number 12. Muslim scientists, philosophers and travelers. History section must write. Topic short answers. Question number 1. What was first journey of the Ibn Battuta? Page number 55. Ibn Battuta, second paragraph, second line. On his first journey, यहाँ से लेकर Baghdad. Done. Second question, short question. These are the short question answers. Which are the topic a canon book deals with? Canon, not canon on of medicines. Page number 57. Al-Biruni. Page number 57, second line from there. Chronology of the ancient nations, canon of books, यहाँ से लेकर 1 2 3 4 line downs, metal, liquids and jewels. Short answer 2. Now come to the question number 3, short answer. What is mean by rubaiyat? Last page, page number 51, Umar al-Khayyam. Info. Rubaiyat is the plural of for rubai, which is a 4-line poem. 4-line poems को रुबाई कहते हैं और रुबाइयत ऑब्वियसली उसका प्लूरल है, यहाँ से लेकर यहाँ तक. Done. Question number 4, short. What was reform of Umar al-Khayyam? Page number 59, same, second paragraph. He reformed the Persian solar calendar and renamed it as the Jalali calendar after the rule of that time. Done. These are the 4 short question answer of this topic. Now come to the long question answer of this chapter. Topic long answers. Question number 1. What are the mechanics, metrology and philosophy? Number 1 is number 1, mechanics deals with movement, force and motions. Number 2, meteorology is the study of weather and climates. Philosophy is the study of knowledge, truth or wisdom through arguments. This is the question number 1. Now question number 2. What is the difference between astrology and astronomy? Astrology is the study of patterns and relationship of planets in motions and stars. Astrology is the scientific study of the stars and planets movement by scientific instruments. Done. These are okay. Now question number 3. Write the note on Ibn Battuta. Page number 55. Ibn Battuta 1304 to 1368-69, born and died in Morocco. First you write it like this. Ibn Battuta was born in 1304 and died in 1368 or 1369 in Morocco. He was probably the most famous of the early Muslims. यहाँ से लेकर 14th century तक. ये पूरा आपने पैराग्राफ राइट डाउन करना है. Okay. Question number 4. Write the note on Al-Biruni. Page number 56, Al-Biruni. Page number 56, Al-Biruni. Al-Biruni was born in first you write this line. Al-Biruni was born in Bukhara 1973 and died in Ghazni in 1050. He was perhaps the most famous Arab scientist of early time. Okay, यहाँ पे अच्छा ये लाइन उन्होंने यहाँ राइट डाउन कर दी है, so you don't need to write on the first line. He was born in Uzbekistan and died in Ghazni. He was most brilliant scholar and scientist of that time. ये यहाँ से लेकर यहाँ तक आपने राइट डाउन करना है. Then come to the next page. इसका बाकी ये वाला पैराग्राफ राइट डाउन करना है, लास्ट वाला. ही रोट फिजिक्स बुक्स ऑन सच टॉपिक्स एज hydrostatics and on geography, wherein he put forward ideas that were centuries before the time. He suggested the earth rotated on its axis, that Indus Valley was once basin of the sea. ये आपने पूरा अल-बिरूनी का नोट रो डाउन करना है. नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 5. राइट अबाउट द इब्ने रुशद. इब्ने रुशद यहाँ से लेकर 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 यहाँ फिलॉसफी तक, बस फिलॉसफी तक आपने इब्ने रुशद के बारे में राइट डाउन करना है. दीज आर द लॉन्ग क्वेश्चन आंसर्स. क्वेश्चन नंबर 6. हु वॉज द एविसीना? हु वॉज द एविसीना? सो आपने पूरा जो है टॉपिक राइट डाउन करना है, पूरा यहाँ से लेकर यहाँ तक. राइट, डन. ओके. Who last question number 7. Who was the father of historiography? और ये क्वेश्चन इस तरह भी आ सकता है कि who was the father of sociology? Who was Ibn Khaldun? सो आप इन सब में आपने ये इब्ने खालिदून का नोट राइट डाउन करना है यहाँ से, फर्स्ट लाइन से लेकर। नाउ टर्न द पेज, थर्ड लाइन कायरो तक, और फिर दोबारा इसको सेकंड पैराग्राफ इसका बनेगा इसी क्वेश्चन का, द मुकदमा से लेकर इब्ने खालिदून डाइड इन इजिप्ट तक। डन। दिस इज द क्वेश्चन नंबर 7। नाउ लास्ट क्वेश्चन, क्वेश्चन नंबर 8। Write about the importance of Al-Khwarizmi work. How did this help later scientists and scholars? पेज नंबर 8 पूरा आपने ये राइट डाउन करना है, यहाँ से लेकर यहाँ तक, ये सारा आपने इस क्वेश्चन में ऐड करना है। सो दिस चैप्टर इज फिनिश्ड नाउ। 10 fill in the blanks, 4 short question answers, 8 long question answer. You must write on the copy, and kindly thorough reading is must for every chapter. Either it's a history chapter, either is a geography chapter, and underline all the important facts and learn these chapter carefully. Okay, okay ji. Allah Hafiz.